When a train is coming, red lights flash, gates go down, and a bell rings. This means you must stop and wait for the train to pass. Trains also warn us by blowing their horns. 2 long blasts of the horn, one short and another long, means the train is approaching, and you better stop right where you are. Only when the gates go up and the red light stops flashing is it safe for you to cross the tracks.
Spot low and listen. Spot low and listen. Do. Am I that call? I see it. I might be a chance. A spot low and listen. Spot low and listen. Now. Put on your back, on track, and I to dive too much to the spot. Low and listen. Spot low and listen. Spot low and listen. Spot low and listen.